talents. Very talents. I want. I want to hear in English speaking because I want to learn how to speak in English. The India, si Funky Kokriti Indonesia, I don't know what is I can't understand in language of India. You are good at English. Wow. I'm a good in English. Thank you so much. Thank you. In a little bit lang, you know how to speak English. I know, it's a little bit. In ano lang. I want to, a fluent. I want to become I hope, ano, I want to become a fluent in English speaking. I want to become, I want to, I have friends to, from the other country because they have a good heart. You want to get good at speaking English. Ooh. Thank you so much, yeah. Thank you so much, Cameron. Thank you. Thank you so much. Everyone, shalala, shalala. It's a rainy day, Cameron here. I'm a laundry today. I'm a laundry, but it's always, rainy day. I have no dryer. It's a kusot-kusot lang. It's a kusot-kusot lang, Cameron. Asan yung yung wife mo, Cameron? Where is your wife? Asan si ate? Where is ate in baby? Samantha says hello. Hi! Hello, 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 hello. Hi, baby. Hi, hello, hello, baby. I embrace you, baby. I want to hug you, baby. Hi, baby. Hello. Oy, malaki na si Samantha, Cameron. Another baby. Another baby. Bigyan mo ng kapatid. Para may sisters or brother. Cameron. Cameron. Hi, hello sa 4 people na sumisilip kay Mama Ems. Hello, hello. Very baby. Hi, Samantha. Good morning. Ano gawa mo, Samantha? Ano ginagawa ng Samantha na yan? Nak, yung kalapati nyo, nak. Baby, baby, baby. Hi, hi. Baby, baby, baby. Salamat sa inyo, aking Panginoon. Isa pa, baby coming. Wow, isa pa. Baby coming. Baby coming. It's a pregnant your wife. It's a pregnant. Yay! It's a very lucky. Isa pa baby coming. Yes. It's isa pa. Not right now. Ay. Oh, you make na now. You make na now. Now na. Now na. Pancake o pretty. And explore with Mona War. Now na. Because Mr. Lee Arts, no, she's not. You make one baby na. Huwag mo nang patagalin. Huwag mo nang patagalin. There's you have 3 children. Dalawa pa. Mr. Lee Arts. No, yan si Mr. Lee Arts. English speaking yan. Tayo dito napaparano. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Diyos ko, Lord.